Land Biomes by Loujaine. There are four things that we are going to talk about. Number one, biome meaning. 2. Explanation of each type. 3. Biome subclassifications. Number 4. Biome subclassifications regarding temperature, annual rain, and living organisms. First, we're going to talk about biome meaning. It's a large area characterized by its vegetation, soil, climate, and wildlife. Areas that have similar abiotic factors have similar biotic factors, and a biome contains related ecosystems. Land biome types and subclassifications. There are four major types of biomes: forest, tundra, grassland, and desert. Each one of them has a subclassification or class, except for desert. The forest has three classes: temperate deciduous forests, coniferous forests, and tropical rainforest. In tundra, there are two: polar tundra and alpine tundra. In grassland, also there are two: temperate grasslands and savannas. The first one we're going to talk about is forest, temperate deciduous forest. First, we're going to talk about forest, but in a brief explanation. Forest biomes are often found in areas that have mild temperature and plenty of rain. The kind of forest biome that develops depends on an area's temperature and rainfall. Temperate deciduous forests shed their leaves to save water during the winter or dry season. Deciduous means to fall off. Coniferous forests. Most trees are called coniferous. It produces seeds in cones. The leaves have a thick waxy coatings. It has three functions. Number one, it helps keep them from drying out. 2. It protects needles from being damaged by cold winter temperatures. 3. It allows them to keep many of their leaves year-round. Tropical rainforest. It has more biological diversity than other places on Earth have. Most of the nutrients are found in plants. The soil is actually very thin and poor in nutrients. Because of the soil is so thin, many trees grow above ground roots for extra support. Number 2. Tundra. A biome that has very cold temperatures and little rainfall. Two types of tundras: polar tundra and alpine tundra. Polar tundra is found near the north and south poles. Permafrost is a layer of soil beneath the surface soil, stays frozen all the time. During the short, cool summers, only the surface soil thaws. This layer becomes too shallow for deep-rooted plants to live. Mosses and lichens grow beneath these plants. The thawed soil above the permafrost becomes muddy. Alpine tundra. Alpine tundra is similar to Arctic tundra. Above an elevation called the tree line, trees cannot grow on a mountain. Alpine tundra is found above the tree line. It is permafrost and also found at the top of the tall mountains. It gets plenty of sunlight and precipitation. 3. Grasslands. Grasslands have many names such as steppes, prairies, and pampas. They are found on every continent but Antarctica. They are often flat or have gently rolling hills. There are two classes: temperate grassland and savannas. Temperate grasslands includes grasses, few trees, and other flowering plants. Fire, drought, and grazing prevent the growth of trees and shrubs. Savannas, a grassland that has scattered clumps of trees and seasonal marines. It is found in parts of Africa, India, and South America. During the dry season, savanna grasses dry out and turn yellow. The deep roots survive for many months without water. Number 4. Desert. A biome that is very dry and often very hot. Many kinds of plants and animals are found only in deserts. These organisms have special adaptations to live in it. For example, plants grow far apart so that the plants won't have to compete with each other for water. Some plants have shallow, widespread roots that grow just under the surface. These roots let plants take up water during a storm. Other desert plants, such as cactus, have fleshy stems and leaves. These fleshy structures store water. The leaves of desert plants also have a waxy coating that helps prevent water loss. Biome subclassifications regarding temperature, annual rain, and living organisms. Those are the four uh, major classes: forest, tundra, desert, and grassland. The tropical rainforest rainfall is up to 420 meters, but the temperature in daytime is 34 Celsius, nighttime 20 Celsius. It includes bears, snakes, and woodpeckers as living organisms. The conifers forest rainfall is 35 to 75 centimeters. The temperature in summer is 14 Celsius, but in winter it's negative 10 Celsius. It includes squirrels, insects, and birds such as finches, herbivores such as porcupines, elk, and moose. Temperate deciduous forests, the rainfall is up to 75 to 125 centimeters. The temperature is in summer 28 Celsius, but in winter it's 6 Celsius. It includes sloth and jaguars. The tundra rainfall is up to 30 to 50 centimeters. The temperature in summer is 12 Celsius, but in winter it's negative 26 Celsius. It includes musk oxen, wolves, and caribou. In desert, the rainfall is less than 25 centimeters. The temperature in summer is 38 Celsius, but in winter is 7 Celsius. It includes jackrabbits, kangaroo, spadefoot, toad. Grassland rainfall is up to 25 to 75 centimeters. The temperature in summer is 30 Celsius, but winter is 20 Celsius. It includes prairie dogs and mice. The savanna rainfall is 150 centimeters. The temperature dry season and wet season. The dry is 34, the wet is 16. It includes elephants, giraffes, zebras, and wild beasts. Thank you.